In this video, me and the boys are deep into the woods, trying to find the best waterfall possible. Throughout the video, we are going to be encountering challenges and obstacles throughout the way. So hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. As always, I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, you're gonna be our tour guide.
He doesn't know what he's doing. I don't know what I'm going, bro.
Hey! About to see if one of us sees shit. Hopefully we don't. He's Spider-Man. We got this, we got this, we got this. Oh shit, they already made it.
This motherfucker's tall. This motherfucker's tall, bro.
There's nothing there or what?
Oh shit. It's just a room. Let's enter what? Enter at your own risk. Oh, it's not that big. It's not. I'll watch. Want to see this happen, bro?
Nah, he's locked in. He's locked in. Shit, it's beautiful as fuck. It's beautiful out here. Gotta love nature. We're on an expedition. We're about to go do this shit. I don't know how far we're gonna go. We'll see how far we go. Alright. Whoa, shit, you good? Yo! Oh, shit.
And then Enrique, we were doing it with one hand. So fucking just has a cheek though. He has long ass legs.
How's your foot doing?
Feels good.
This is Nathan and welcome to Jackass.
So we found this cool ass lake. We're here. We all jumped in. We all jumped in. It was amazing.
I don't want to jump in. Jump in.
You only live once. That's all I'm gonna say. You only live once. Woo. Yeah. We just got done with that awesome lake thing that we just did. How's everybody feeling?
I didn't go in.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
I'll go in when we get to the top.
Yeah, so we're about we're about to get to the top. I don't know what's at the top yet. We'll wing it as we go. Me and the boys out here climbing mountains and shit. Out here climbing shit. Never thought I'd be here in my life. Here we are. We're out here doing this shit. The moment of truth.
You go that way. You see that rope? Yeah. You pull on the rope and you go down. I want to go to my side though. Yeah, you have to go down the side.
We made it.
You want to go
Okay,
up
we gotta
there?
go up.
Go.
And sure enough, that's exactly what we did. We climbed up some cliffs, we were hanging around, and we found a water slide. And after that, we just decided to have fun with it. Here are some clips on how that went. Hopefully you guys enjoy.
Go. Go, go, go. Hey, Isaiah! English or Spanish? ¡Es que se muevas gay! Hurry up!
He just did the slide. Cold. You feeling cold? You cold?
My nipples are hard.
After our expedition was a total success, we decided to head back home so that we could enjoy a warm shower. Anyways, that was it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's on YouTube. Let's do it. Say hi to the vlog.
I'm cold, bro.
cool.